Now, the cooperative tribunal sitting in Nairobi has ordered embattled PCEA elder David Nderito Ndumo to pay 8.3 million he owes Sharia Sacco or face jail. The cleric, who was in court Friday to show cause why he will not be committed to civil jail after failing to pay the loan, subjecting guarantors to be painfully deducted from their pay. In mitigation to the court, Ndumo committed to pay 2.5 million by February 28, 2025 and pay the rest in a monthly installment of 164,000 shillings per month. Subsequently, the court ordered Mr. Ndumo to pay all court charges by Friday next week and set March 10, 2025 as the mentioning date for compliance.
We started executing the judgment last year, that is 2024. So David Nderito Ndumo had not met any payment of any sum, which was 5.3, and by the time the judgment was being given, the interest had ballooned to almost 3 million. So the entire amount is almost 8.4 million Kenya shillings. So when we saw that he was not serious in honoring the judgment of that particular of this particular case, we sought the court to issue a notice to show cause why he should not be committed to civil jail. And sure enough, the court issued a notice to show cause to Mr. David Nderito Ndumo, which the tribunal gave directions on 23rd that Mr. Nderito should give us a payment plan of all these amounts that are owing to the claimants.
Now, in a bid to elevate the education sector in the country, Good Testimony International